Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing a healthy and delicious dessert that you can make without flour and without an oven. Yes, you heard that right. This no-bake banana oatcake is simple, nutritious, and incredibly satisfying. If you love bananas and chocolate, you're going to love this recipe. Let's get started. First, take 3 cups of quick oats and add them to a large skillet. Place the skillet over medium heat and toast the oats for about 5 to 7 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally so they don't burn. Toasting the oats brings out a wonderful nutty flavor that makes this cake even more delicious. Once the oats are lightly golden, immediately transfer them to a bowl. Don't leave them in the hot pan because they can continue cooking and get too dark. Now add a pinch of salt, 4 tablespoons of dark cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. The cinnamon is optional, but it adds a warm and comforting flavor that pairs beautifully with chocolate and banana. Stir everything together until the mixture is evenly combined. Next, let's prepare some nuts for extra texture. Take a few whole almonds, place them in a food processor, and pulse them until they're chopped into small pieces. Add about 2 tablespoons of these crushed almonds to the bowl and mix them with the oat mixture. Now it's time for the star ingredient, bananas. Take 3 ripe bananas, peel them, and cut them into smaller pieces. The riper the bananas are, the sweeter and softer your cake will be. Place the banana pieces in a bowl and add about 2 teaspoons of honey or your favorite sweetener. Mash the bananas until you get a smooth, creamy texture with no large chunks. Once the bananas are ready, add the mash into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Stir everything together until you get a thick and evenly mixed batter. Now divide this mixture into 2 equal parts and set it aside. Take a round spring-form pan and grease the bottom and sides with butter. This will prevent the cake from sticking later. Add half of the oat mixture into the pan and spread it evenly across the bottom. Then gently press it down with the bottom of a glass or spoon to form a solid base. Now let's prepare the creamy filling. In a bowl, add about 10 ounces of cream cheese. You can use something like Philadelphia or even ricotta. Add 1 teaspoon of honey and a few drops of vanilla extract if you like. Mix everything together until smooth and creamy. Next, peel 3 more bananas and slice them evenly. Arrange the banana slices neatly over the oat base. Then spoon some of the cream filling on top and gently spread it so it fills the gaps between the banana slices. Add the remaining cream and smooth it evenly across the surface. Now take the second half of the oat mixture that we saved earlier and sprinkle it evenly over the top of the cake. Lightly press it down and smooth the surface. Place the cake in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so it can firm up. While the cake chills, let's prepare the chocolate glaze. Take about 3/4 of a bar of dark chocolate and chop it into small pieces. Melt the chocolate using a double boiler method. Place a heat-proof bowl over a saucepan with hot water and stir the chocolate gently as it melts. Once the chocolate is melted, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or vegetable oil and mix well. This will make the glaze smooth and easy to pour. Let the chocolate cool slightly while the cake finishes chilling. Now remove the cake from the fridge and slowly pour the chocolate glaze over the top. Let it drip down the sides for that beautiful, elegant look. Finally, sprinkle some chopped hazelnuts on top for extra crunch and flavor. Return the cake to the fridge for another 1 to 2 hours so it can fully set. And there you have it, a healthy, no-bake banana oat cake with creamy layers, rich chocolate glaze, and crunchy nuts. When you cut into it, you'll see those beautiful layers of banana, cream filling, and chocolate. It's simple, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.